The boys had a very great experience, learning from the best in the world, among them Hong Kong, China, the US, Canada. Out of all this, we were able to take position 3. We bring home a lot of experience. As you know, the world now is going artificial intelligence and machine learning.
And also we learned multiple skills. We learned this competition was not easy. To bring this trophy was not easy. It was also a tough competition, and we learned a lot of stuff.
It is hard work. God has rewarded us. It is exciting. We as parents who are here, for the students who went for the RoboFest, we are feeling honored for the hard work.